Good AM. Today is Wednesday, March 13, 2024, and here are the 10:30 AM SL Visayas draw result for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandawi City. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Wednesday, March 13, 2024. Here are the SL Shore 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for March 13, 2024, Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of March 13, 2024, Thursday, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.